Okay, this is a guided walkthrough for the Paula level from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. Let's read the mission.txt file and figure out what we need to do. So mission 44, the user Carla trusts me, she is part of my group of friends. So there is everything we need to figure out this challenge in this sentence right here. Carla trusts me, she's part of my group of friends. What is the command we need to do to figure out what the password is for this level? So we need to figure out what the groups are for these particular users. So is this a command? I didn't know that groups was a command. Carla is only in the Carla group, it seems. But if we take a look at our own group permissions, our own group memberships, I guess it would be called memberships. So we can see here that Paula, our user, is in the Paula group and is also in the hidden group. So if you use ID, so this is something that you also need to get used to when you're doing CTF challenges, is you need to figure out what groups your current user is part of. And in this case, they're part of a non-standard group over here. And what we can do is we can find out which files this hidden group has access to. So we can just do find on the entire file system, and we can look for files that belong to the hidden group, and we're just going to put all of the error messages into the dev null device, and let's see what shows up. So it looks like this is the only file that that is part of this hidden group. It's the Carla file, so let's read that. So this is the password. So it's the password for the Carla user. This is it. So we were able to find it because we found out that our current user is part of a non-standard group called hidden with the ID command. So to everybody keeping track at home, Carla's password is this. Okay, let's get out of here and let's do an after action report over at github.com. This is level number 44. Okay, so who is the target user? So the target user in this level was the Carla user, and the method of solving this level is we need to figure out what group memberships our user has. And there was a couple of key commands. So there was the ID command. There's the ID command, and there was find group hidden. So basically the find command that finds all of the files that are owned by the hidden group over here. Okay, so let's commit those changes. All right, so everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for level number 44, otherwise known as the Paula level, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.